Very good morning to all of you. So yesterday we had a good market. The opening was very positive in the opening trade. So the market opened up with a gap of about 3%. That was quite significant, and that was quite in accordance with the global markets. The markets overall, all the global markets went up by almost 4 to 5% in the previous day, and the same kind of effect was visible in Indian markets as well. But what happened is after the initial momentum, the market was not sustaining at the higher levels, especially above the 5000, the psychological mark of 5000 level. It was not able to sustain. So what we could see is after touching the 5000 levels, it was hovering around 49502 5000. That is in between those levels, and even the main thing which was visible was there was not much momentum in the heavyweights. Like the overall, if you take the trading volumes were thin, and one more thing I noticed is that when we take the Fibonacci retracement in the previous fall, that is from 5400 to 4640, the 50% of the retracement level falls in 5010 levels. And yesterday's high, it quite coincidence, like yesterday's high was 5011. It exactly fell on to that level. So now what we have to look for is that we have to look for some fresh close from international side. We don't have much close in the domestic side. Even the parliament session is not going smoothly. It's a rough situation in parliament also. The main problem is FDI in retail, that agitation and arguments are still going on in the parliament. For things are not smooth back in domestic case. But in global scenario, like if we are getting some positive close in the coming days, and if the market is able to sustain above 5100 levels, we may get a short-term positive market. But till now, the only possibility is that we have to maintain our bearish stance, since it is in line with the technical charts. The bearish sentiment is still there in the market. I think in the coming days, especially today, the markets will be tracking the European markets, and even the US futures will be tracked in today's trade. And during its weekend, the possibility of winding up some of the positions by the traders. And in yesterday's trade, like the auto sales were improved a little, and even the cement sector sales are a little bit positive aspects are seeing in that too. But overall market sentiment is still bearish. So maybe the next week we may be getting some close for the markets to trade, and it's quite volatile. We are expecting the volatility to continue in the coming days as well. So that's all for now. Wish you all happy trading. Have a nice day. Thank you.